Bosch Limited. We are a global company with deep roots in India, providing innovative and beneficial solutions. We are the preferred partner for our customers. We strive for sustained economic success and leading market position. We, as motivated and dedicated associates, aim for excellence. We live the Bosch values and believe in our responsibility towards society. The company was set up in Stuttgart in 1886 by Robert Bosch, 1861 to 1942, as Workshop for Precision Mechanics and Electrical Engineering. Bosch has been present in India for more than 80 years. First, through a representative agency in Calcutta since 1922, and from 1951 through its subsidiary Bosch Limited, then Motor Industries Company Limited. The Bosch Group is a leading global supplier of technology and services. Its operations are divided into 4 business sectors: automotive technology, industrial technology, consumer goods, and energy and building technology. Manufacturing facilities are located in Bangalore, Nashik, and Jaipur. With turnkey application capability and local project management, the division has always been future-ready, offering professional support to Indian and international OEMs by enabling them to meet current and future emission regulations. Bosch has a wide customer base in India. The gasoline division of Bosch Limited commenced its manufacturing in 2008 with fuel supply module. The division is continuing to invest in systems and component engineering to develop complete locally specific powertrain solutions. The division's customer base is fast expanding and includes all major OEMs across the industry. In a measure towards fulfilling future expansion needs, a new greenfield manufacturing facility at Gangaikondan, Tirunelveli district, Tamil Nadu is being set up. Powertrain sensors used in passenger cars, accelerator module, fuel supply module, and fuel rail assembly are the main products being currently manufactured in India. The division till now was making these products in its Naganadhapuras facility near Bangalore. With the gasoline division being set up in Gangaikondan, Bosch has added another manufacturing location in India to meet growing customer needs and with an intent to establish a stronger manufacturing footprint of its own. Gangaikondan location was chosen. The need for new location was felt as early as 2011. The leadership team took up the task of coming out with a location strategy that suited GS business needs. With an in-principle approval for the new location, a project team was formed. Several locations were visited in the region of Karnataka and Tamil Nadu. Perandurai, Chevvar, Neelakottai, Gangaikondan and Oragadam were a few areas which were considered for evaluation. A systematic evaluation was jointly done together with corporate real estate team of Bosch. Gangaikondan was chosen as the most preferred area among all the locations. The site selection was validated by colleagues from both Germany and India. Sipcot Growth Center in Gangaikondan was finalized, considering the well-developed infrastructure, potential growth in the region. An approval to invest in Tamil Nadu was given by the Bosch Board of Directors during early 2012. Bosch was allotted a land of 38 acres in the existing Sipcot layout, and the same was registered in 2013. This was followed by a series of internal and external approvals. In-principle approval for commencement of construction was accorded by the Guidance Bureau during the December month of 2013. The construction work began after the consent to establishment approval was given in the month of March last year. In a record span of 9 months, the unit became operational at Gangaikondan. The journey for relocation and setting up a greenfield entity began in 2012 for the gasoline unit. It was important to keep the stakeholders informed about the relocation. A first communication on the relocation was given on the 19th of April 2012. Although it took a little longer for starting up the execution, the continuous engagement and communication with the associates was ensured. On the 1st of June 2013, a project core team consisting of 10 members was formed. The project organization also had a steering committee and review board with members from gasoline leadership and executive management. The core team members together came out with a methodology for the execution and review mechanism. A signature logo was finalized which symbolizes Greenfield Project of Gasoline Division in Gangaikondan, which is intended for growth. All the colleagues were kept informed about the project progress through regular info-sharing sessions and an info board in the office. A task force was formed to take specific tasks related to relocation and execute the relocation by adhering to specified guidelines and fulfilling all the project requirements. On the 9th of October 2013, Bhumi Puja was performed and the first foundation stone was laid by Mr. Franz Hauber, the Joint Managing Director of Bosch Limited. The function was attended by several officials, neighboring industry members and local institutions. However, the construction activity was awaiting clearance from the Tamil Nadu Pollution Control Board and a few other necessary approvals like temporary power supply to the site. The CTE was accorded in the month of March 2014, after which the actual construction commenced on March 27th. Regular on-site reviews were conducted by the Bosch team to ensure the project was steered in the right direction. A temporary office was set up for the purpose of site personnel. In the month of May, as the construction activity started gaining momentum, a guest house was established in Tirunelveli to accommodate the frequent travellers from Bangalore. A temporary office was also set up within the Bosch guest house for the engineers who were sent as early birds. The progress was monitored closely and reported to the Bosch management in Germany and other stakeholders who were keenly watching the developments. The reviews and visits were not only restricted to the site, the construction workers' accommodations were visited and unsafe acts were promptly brought to the notice of the concerned. Safety was given utmost importance and no shortcuts or deviations were allowed in the site work. Safety drills were a part of the work. The foundation work was carried out for the main structures in the month of April. In the month of May, the utility building started taking the shape along with compound wall fencing preparations. Commitment to the cause of environment protection was demonstrated by the Bosch team by planting saplings as early as May 2014. We have a dedicated green belt within the premises and till date have planted more than 2,000 saplings. The colleagues had to be away with or without their families for several days during the early days. Few moments were spent together with all the family members. Apart from the on-site reviews, guest house meetings lasted for several hours in the late evenings to review work packages like HR, IT and logistics. Deep dive discussions with the leadership team helped to uncover lot of potential problems and fix solutions upfront. Many work packages were put on track through these meetings and implementation strategy was finalized until May 2014. The month of July witnessed a rapid progress with respect to civil structures. PEB structures for the main hangar and utility buildings were erected during this time. Simultaneously, the civil work on the other buildings progressed. Aggressive timeline targets for relocation and important customer project commitments were driving the entire project on a fast track. The relocation schedule was fine-tuned few times considering readiness of the main hangar and necessary facilities, but a compromise on the end date was never made. During the month of August 2014, we were very close to the end of production at the Naganadapura location for a few lines, with the Gangaikondan plant still a long way to go for the production worthiness. The entire month of August saw buzz of activities with respect to construction. The main hangar started taking a final shape. A communication link with radio link was put up to support IT rollout in the month of September 2014. A batch of engineers had already started their work on site. Company transport started from the month of September 2014. On the other side, it was time to wind up at Naganadapura. The first line producing fuel supply module was turned off on the 25th of August. The entire relocation process was handled by the Bosch in-house team of experts who took care of all key aspects of movement and ensured our machinery was fit to start in one go post-relocation. To engage local talent post-relocation in the manufacture of parts, many job fairs were conducted in the local region with specific selection criteria. The response was overwhelming and as expected. Aspirants responded enthusiastically. The first team of associates was selected in August. The selected associates were trained on various aspects using the customized training module for a period of 1 month. The training included simulation of real production environment supported by adequate theory inputs in the classroom. The first line made an entry into the production hangar in the month of September. It was challenging to simultaneously carry on relocation and finish the construction work. Enclosures were made ready to insulate the production lines from the surrounding dusty conditions. Very stringent measures had to be put in place to protect the dust-sensitive products. The lines were commissioned in record time and consent to operate was obtained in October. Following this, a first commercial invoice was made from the Gangaikondan location in the month of November 2014. In order to commence the production, captive power generator was put into operation while the electricity board power line was being drawn. November and December months witnessed further developments with respect to the main hangar and support facilities. More assembly lines were brought from Naganadapura to be commissioned at Gangaikondan. On the 1st of December, the Gruha Pravesham was held. Thus, the dream of building a GS plant was realized. This was made possible by the trust GS management had on the team, the support of our esteemed customers who were with us during this transition, the business partners and vendors. The plant has a built-up area of 6,400 square meters. The single production hangar has an area of 3,500 square meters. The production facility includes sophisticated sensor production line, which has been built specially and operated with controlled conditions of temperature and humidity. Other assembly lines are built based on the Bosch production system, which takes care of ergonomics and single-piece material flow. Associates are sensitized about the quality requirements and well-trained before they are put. The production hangar also houses both receiving and shipping area. Apart from the TNEB supply, the plant is equipped with 100% captive power generation capability. This conforms to the standards set by the TNPCB. The unit is a zero discharge plant and does not generate any effluents. It has a sewage treatment plant which is capable of treating 25 kiloliters per day. The treated water is used for gardening in-house. Besides, there is a pump room which is equipped with full-fledged firefighting system. The pump room also has a water treatment plant. The utility building houses compressors, electricity panels and chemical storage rooms. Generator and transformer yards are built taking into account future expansion. The facility also has a diesel yard that can hold 20 kiloliters of diesel for captive operations. The cooling requirements of production lines and offices are met by a centralized chilling unit. As a part of welfare, a creche building is built with an intention to support lady employees. Adequate parking facility has been provided for both two-wheelers and four-wheelers. Besides, the employees can use the locker room facilities. The office area, both on the ground and first floor, is built with spacious workstations, an in-house training center, a reception area, and quality laboratory are part of the hangar, apart from a canteen and conference room.